Good morning, all of you. My name is Aditya Santoshi, and I am going to present PowerPoint presentation on the topic Introduction of Operating System and Installation of Windows. Introduction of Operating System. An operating system is a software which acts as an interface between the end user and the computer hardware. Every computer must have at least one operating system to run other programs. The operating system helps you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. It is not possible for the user to use any computer or mobile device without any having an operating system. What are the two main functions of operating system? Programs are loaded into the memory properly, and the file system of operating system will keep the file in order. Operating system enables the hardware and software to interact and perform functionality like printing, scanning, mouse operation, webcam operation. Installation of Windows. First, make sure your Windows 10 installation media is connected. In order for you to install Windows 10, Windows 10 installation file must be loaded onto a disk or flash drive, and the disk or flash drive must be inserted into your computer. Second, open the Start menu. Either click the window icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Third, click the power icon. This is the circle with a line through its top that's in the bottom left corner of the Start window. Point 4. Click Restart. It's in the pop-up menu above the power icon. Doing so will restart your computer. Point 5. Press and hold Del or F2 to enter setup. This key may also different key. Most computers will display a message on startup that says press key to enter setup or something similar, so look for this message when your computer restarts. To confirm the key you should press to access the BIOS. Point 6. Navigate to the boot tab. You will use the arrow key to start it. To select it, the boot tab may instead say boot options depending on your computer manufacturers. Point 7. Select a device from which to boot. You have a couple of options here. First, for a USB flash drive, select the removable devices option. For second, for a disk installation, select the CD-ROM drive option. Point 8. Press the plus key until your boot option is first. Once either removable disk or CD-ROM drive is at the top of the list, your computer will select your choice as its default boot options. Point 9. Save your settings. You should see a key promote at the bottom of the screen that correlates to save and exit. Pressing it should save your setting and restart your computer. Point 10. Wait for a computer to restart. Once your computer finishes restarting, you will see a window here. With your geographically data, you are now ready to begin setting up your Windows 10 installation. Thank you for watching video.